Here is my little construction of 5 boxes that I'm going to use, okay? Now I'm probably making you dizzy. Here is how I want you to set up your page so that you know that you're going to make your drawing smaller in the middle, okay? And here are the 5 steps. Make your selection with your viewfinder. Find and draw the eye level. Find major verticals, measure angles and proportions, and check perspective. And now I'm going to do it, and Emily is going to film me here for a second. Okay, so I've got my viewfinder, and I'm looking through my viewfinder, and I'm just going to do the top little white box, the red box, and the top of the black box. Okay, and I'm going to put this down for right now. I think I can remember that pretty well, but I want you to decide that. So what I need to do is know where my eye level is, and my eye level is really right at the top of that little black box, little white box, because I know that because I can't see the top, okay? So I'm gonna start with the vertical there, it's pretty small. And then I'm gonna look at the bottom, and there's like, I'm making a tiny little horizontal line, and I can just see the slightest little angles there. They're almost imperceptible, okay? Then I also see that the left side of the box is just about 2 of the right side, just like what we just saw in that video, okay? Then I'm looking for the next vertical, and I see that it comes about 1/3 of the way from that one. I know this is kind of small, I wish I'd done it a little bigger, but I'm looking at where this vertical compares in this space here, okay? And then I see kind of a slightly steeper angle and a flatter angle coming across here, still going back, but a little flatter. And again, I see, this time I see, I wish I had a little pencil, but 1, 2, almost 3 the other way. Okay, so this side appears much wider than that side. And I come down and I just see the tiniest little sort of return there and there, okay? Then I look at the bottom, and this is sloping up, you know, about almost 20, 30 degrees. This is a little less, okay? And then coming down from there, the front corner of the next box is right about there, and I'm stopping at the bottom of this little mini like format that I gave you guys for now. Yeah, this is gonna slope up and come back in to about that corner. And this one's gonna come back and go right under that other box and come out the other side. And it actually ends just right about there. So it's like, there's my little pile of boxes, just those 3. And I could go on from there, but I wanted to give the idea of the viewfinder and the eye level. And then there's one more thing, okay? The last thing on here is check perspective. So what I mean by that is, the reason I made this small in the middle was so that probably you're gonna be able to get your vanishing point. Don't start with the vanishing point, just check. Wow, didn't I do a good job? It happened to hit right on the line like it's supposed to. And then here, right about there, this is in the ballpark, okay? Depending on what maybe I can fake it there. So they really do hit. Now this one, if I continued it, is gonna go right off the page, and that's okay, all right? But this is the basic idea, okay?